Good afternoon, good morning, what else? Good evening, good night. Whatever time you're watching this, I just got back from basically the last day of aerosol school. Thank you, Lord, for getting me through this. I can't really say I'm done yet because I'm not done yet. We still have the final day, which is the 12-mile run tomorrow, guys. So I'm super excited for that. So day 9, right, of the 10 hardest days in the Army. That's what they say it is. Honestly, today has came around full circle. We got to actually, rappel out of a chinook today, not a Black Hawk, but a chinook. It was a great experience. A couple of things that went down. That was really all what today consisted of. It was just a few people there, so we had those different chalks that went up. So we just had to wait around a little bit until we actually got the opportunity to go up there ourselves. It was a great experience, guys. If you ever get the chance to go aerosol and study. Just study your ass off. That's it. Just study and you will get through it. I promise you. So we went up there, had our eye pros on, our earpieces in. What else? We had our rappel seats on. We had our gloves on. All of that. Make sure you have your dog tags with you and your ID. All of that. They don't check it, but make sure they may check it. You never know. So yeah, they took us in a group of like 30 onto the Black Hawk. We went 90 degrees from the rear. We all loaded up on there. This may be different for other classes because apparently every class is a little bit different. It's the same structure as far as phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and then the 12-mile ruck, but it's a little bit different for each class, based on the instructors. But guys, it was great. I had a great experience going onto the chinook itself. So it was very spacious and everything. There's some people that are scared, some people are not. I wasn't scared at all. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I wasn't scared. I was ready to do it. I was just like, what's the word? Like, for me personally, I just didn't want to fuck up. I didn't want to fuck up, and you know what I'm saying. So that's where a little bit of nerves can come in and stuff like that. But I promise y'all, everyone was all right. You're super safe. When we did the rappels yesterday, it confirmed it to me, at least, that you're super safe when you're going up and down. Oh snap, there's somebody watching me through the other building out there. Whatever, this is the best place I can find good sunlight and stuff. So yeah, so you guys can actually see me. But yeah, so we did that. It's super safe, and the time that you're in the air, when you're jumping off, we weren't super high in the air either. But it just felt like a split second, right? You just look down and then you kind of hop off and you hop onto, you hop to the ground, and then you become the belay man, and the belay man is the person who actually holds the rope for you while you're rappelling down. And it's not scary. Some people are just scared of heights. Some people just, it's just in your head, right? It's just a mental block. But yeah, overall, man, this experience was great. I enjoyed it. I hope I get the chance to go airborne school. I would love the opportunity to go airborne school because that's just a whole different feeling. Also, at the end, they allowed about 15 people. I was one of them to hook one of the A22 cargo bags onto the chinook, the belly of the chinook. I didn't get to do it at the end because I guess they ran out of fuel, so they had to go and refuel. But a couple of my battles, they went and did it, but it was still a good experience because like the breeze, you know what I'm saying? You got the chopper go and then you got the wind blowing in your face, and you kind of got to stand at a you got to have a low silhouette because you have all that wind is blowing towards you. So it was a great experience. It was fun. It was exciting. On my if I was to recap, I shouldn't do a recap video yet until tomorrow when I actually get the wings on my uniform. But if I was to recap from so far, I just been on the edge like these whole 10 days from day 0 onto now. Still now, I just been on the edge. You just never know what to expect, and it's like you can fail at any time. Like failure is, right there. They're coming for you to get you. It's just like, it's up to you to, if you really want it, you will get in. There was multiple times that I was like, I didn't feel down, but I just really did not want to fail. And so I'm super excited. I'm super, super, super excited that I'm to this point now where we only have that 12-mile ruck in under, I believe it's 3 hours to do it, which shouldn't be too crazy. Shouldn't be too crazy bad. Just making sure that we eat and hydrate and stuff like that before the ruck. I'm gonna go ahead and do another layout one more time. Our group may do a layout, but it was super exciting. It was super exciting. There was some camera crew that came out today, and we got to rappel down with them, kind of recording us and stuff like that. So maybe I'll be on Business Insider. Hopefully not. I don't know. But it was just a great experience overall. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. And again, I will make a proper video explaining aerosol and everything like that, and my experience personally, because I said again, every class may be different, but it's still the same structure and how you guys can be successful while going to aerosol school, because I want to help out as many of you guys as possible. And just let's get this bag. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you have any friends who are going to aerosol school, or anybody who's just interested in military schools and stuff like that, make sure you share this video to them, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I will be making more military, non-military content, whatever it is. I'll just be making content on here. And I appreciate you guys. And make sure you leave a thumbs up for real. All right, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.